Ever feel like you're drowning in work that should take minutes, but somehow eats your entire day? Look, nobody has time to waste. If you're still doing things manually that AI can handle in seconds, you're leaving hours on the table every single week. Today, we're breaking down 7 AI tools that are actually worth your time. Tools real people are using right now to work faster and smarter. No fluff, no filler. Let's get straight into it. 7. Notion AI, your second brain, but smarter. If you're already using Notion to organize your life or work, then Notion AI is a no-brainer upgrade. It sits right inside your workspace and helps you write, summarize, translate, and brainstorm without ever switching tabs. You can dump a messy wall of text into a Notion page and ask the AI to clean it up, pull out action items, or turn it into a structured document in seconds. The real time saver here is meeting notes. You paste in a transcript or rough notes and Notion AI formats everything. Decisions made, tasks assigned, next steps, all done for you. No more spending 20 minutes after every meeting trying to remember what was said or who agreed to do what. It also has a Q&A feature where you can literally ask your own Notion workspace a question, and it pulls the answer from your existing pages. Think of it as a search engine built specifically for your own knowledge base. For people who live and work inside Notion every day, this tool alone can save you an hour or more every single day just by cutting down on writing, organizing, and searching tasks that used to require manual effort. 6. Otter AI. Never take notes in a meeting again. Meetings are one of the biggest time drains in any professional's day. And then, on top of actually sitting through them, you have to write everything down and follow up properly. Otter AI eliminates that second part completely. It joins your Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams calls automatically and transcribes everything in real time as the conversation happens. But it doesn't just give you a wall of text to wade through afterward. It highlights key moments, identifies who said what, and at the end of the meeting, it generates a clean summary with the most important points and action items already pulled out for you. You get the full transcript plus a polished summary you can actually share with your team. One of the most underrated features is that Otter lets you leave timestamp comments during the meeting itself. So if something important comes up mid-conversation, you can mark it on the spot and find it instantly later. For anyone who sits through multiple meetings a day, Otter AI is practically essential. You stop being the person furiously scribbling notes and start actually being present and engaged in the conversation, while still walking away with a complete, organized record of everything that was discussed. 5. Runway ML, AI video editing. Without the learning curve. Video editing is one of those skills that traditionally takes years to get good at and hours to execute even on relatively simple tasks. Runway ML is changing that fast. Well, it's an AI-powered video editing platform that lets you do things that would normally require expensive software and a skilled professional editor. The standout feature is its text-to-video and video-in-painting tools. You can remove unwanted objects from a video just by brushing over them, change backgrounds without needing a green screen, and even generate short video clips from a text prompt alone. For content creators, marketers, and small business owners who need regular video content but don't have the budget or time for full production, Runway is genuinely a game changer. You can take a rough cut, clean it up with AI-powered tools, add effects, and export a polished result in a fraction of the time it would take through traditional editing. Even if you only use it for background removal and basic cleanup, if the time savings are significant. Video production that used to take a full workday can now be handled in a couple of hours, even by someone who has never touched a professional editing tool before in their life. 4. Perplexity AI. Research in minutes, not hours. Research is one of the most time-consuming parts of any knowledge-based job or creative project. Whether you're writing a report, prepping for a client call, or just trying to understand a new topic quickly, you usually end up with 15 browser tabs open, half of which aren't even that useful, and still no clear answer. Perplexity AI fixes this problem directly. It's essentially a search engine powered by AI that doesn't just show you a list of links. It actually reads the sources and gives you a well-structured answer with citations you can verify and click through to. You type in a question the same way you'd ask a knowledgeable person, and Perplexity gives you a comprehensive answer in plain language with the sources listed right below so you can dig deeper if you need to. It's also excellent at handling follow-up questions in context. 3. ElevenLabs, professional voiceovers. Without a studio, voiceovers used to require a microphone, a quiet space, editing software, and a lot of time. ElevenLabs removes most of that friction. It's an AI tool that turns text into incredibly realistic, natural-sounding speech in minutes. You just type your script, choose a voice, and download studio-quality audio. No recording needed. Creators use it for YouTube videos, podcasts, ads, and training content. Oh, and you can even clone your own voice. What once took 30 to 40 minutes can now be done in just a few minutes. 2. Zapier with AI. Automate the repetitive stuff. Zapier has been around for a while as a solid automation tool, but its integrated AI features have taken it to a completely different level of usefulness. If you're not already familiar with it, Zapier connects different apps and automates tasks between them. But now with AI built directly into the workflow engine, it can make smart decisions within those automations, not just mechanically move data from one place to another. For example, you can set up a workflow that takes every new email arriving in your inbox, has AI read and categorize it by urgency and topic, draft a suggested response, and flag it for your review, all completely automatically. Or you can connect your CRM, your calendar, and your email platform, so that when a new lead comes in, AI writes a personalized outreach message, schedules a follow-up reminder, and logs the entire activity without you touching a single thing. The real power here is in the combination of rule-based automation and AI intelligence working together. Zapier handles the repetitive, structured stuff, while the AI layer handles anything that requires reading context, writing, or making judgment calls. For business owners, marketers, and anyone managing multiple platforms simultaneously, setting up even a handful of these AI-powered workflows can save several hours every single week. 1. ChatGPT, the one that started it all. Yes, it's the obvious pick, but it's number one for a reason. And most people only use about 10% of what ChatGPT can actually do. ChatGPT is one of the most versatile AI tools out there. It can write, edit, summarize, translate, generate code, analyze data, and help you brainstorm ideas in seconds. But its real power isn't just speed, it's clarity. It helps you get unstuck when you don't know what to write, say, or do. Think of it like a 24/7 assistant that helps you think faster, work smarter, and save hours every day. These 7 tools aren't just impressive tech demos. They're practical, proven time savers that people across every industry are already using every single day to do more with less effort. You don't need to adopt all of them at once. Start with 1 or 2 that actually match how you work. Commit to using them for a full week, and then you'll feel this difference almost immediately. The whole point isn't to replace how you think or work, it's to remove the repetitive, draining parts so you can focus your real energy on the things that only you can do. If you found this video useful, hit that like button and subscribe, because we cover tools and strategies like this regularly. Drop a comment below and tell us which one you're going to try first. I genuinely read every single one. See you in the next video.